Hi, I'm Jeff Shaw. We're here at InfoComm 2019, and I am a product manager for Elan, for Nortek Security and Control, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about our new management cloud. So this is a really cool system for dealers to be able to manage all of their systems that they've sold into customers or installed in customers' houses. It gives them the ability to see all those systems and manage the devices within those systems. So if devices are connected to the Elan system, they can manage those devices. But the really cool thing about this is that it can send notifications to the dealer if there's a problem with one of the devices. Now, if a customer has an issue, let's say with a surveillance camera, and the surveillance camera goes down, they don't even know about it. The dealer will find out about it before the customer probably even finds out about it, and the dealer is able to maybe fix that problem before the customer ever finds out. So it's proactive notifications, proactive management for dealers and their customers. So as we go through this demo here, we can see all of our devices, all of our systems, and the dealers can set up notifications based on timing, based on the severity of the alert, for example, and really manage those systems from anywhere in the world and be able to proactively manage those customer systems. So that's a little bit about the Nortek Management Cloud, allowing our dealers to help their customers.